Working with MMD animation and need to apply a VPD pose to your model? These pose files store specific bone positions for instant character posing. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Vocaloid pose data files in MikuMikuDance. The fastest method is last. We will prove that a single quality VPD file inspection program is sometimes all you need for complete mastery over various file types. A pose data file created by MikuMikuDance, MMD, a popular freeware 3D animation program. Users create or download VPD files to save and apply specific character poses, including all bone rotations and positions, to 3D models within the MMD software, greatly streamlining the animation process. The VPD file is a simple text-based format, making it easy to parse and manually edit. It stores key value pairs defining the name of each bone in the model and its corresponding rotational, quaternion, and positional data. This human-readable structure was chosen for ease of creation and sharing within the MMD community. The designated application for the VPD file is MikuMikuDance from Higuchi, HiguchiM. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system Windows cannot read natively. Windows reveals only minimal metadata, while full interpretation requires engine-specific utilities. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's data block. Right-click the VPD file and click Open With. Test MikuMikuDance first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The correct tool is key. If the VPD file won't open, don't panic. Let's systematically test the most common failure points to isolate the issue with your VPD file. First, loading in MikuMikuDance. Launch MikuMikuDance and load a PMD or PMX model. Select the model in the Model dropdown, then click File menu and choose Load Pose Data. Browse to the VPD file and open it. The model immediately snaps to the pose with all bone rotations applied. Register a keyframe to save the pose in your animation. Next, using an MMD-Compatible software. Import VPD files into MikuMiku, moving PMX Editor or Unity with MMD plugins. These tools read VPD bone data and apply transformations to compatible models. Blender users can install the MMD Tools add-on to import VPD poses onto MMD models within Blender's animation environment for advanced rendering workflows. Finally, editing pose data. Open VPD files in any text editor like Notepad or VS Code to manually adjust bone values. Each bone entry can be modified to fine-tune positions and rotations. Save the file with UTF-8 or Shift-JS encoding to preserve Japanese bone names. Test the modified pose in MMD to verify the changes look correct. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.